Alright traders, so I just quickly entered my first trade for the day as a high-low trap for a failed second entry long. I entered on engulfing because we ticked lower, trapped all the sellers, and it quickly reversed up. We're bouncing off my exit order and we finally got out, so I'm going to tighten the stop loss. The reason why I'm entering this trade is because the downtrend had to break new extreme. This uptrend, according to price action rules, needs to get new extreme. So I'm focusing on longs, but overall we have a trailing range structure, and notice what happened. We broke above the trailing range and we have a new high, first entry long, second entry long failure. But this is not a good failure to take. Why? Because this uptrend is still in play. Overall, we came from the failed breakout here and the bullish momentum in this trailing range was quite strong. So we have a stronger bullish momentum. Just going to quickly mark it. So we have stronger bullish momentum. Uptrend needs to get new extreme, and you don't want to take a failed second entry long here because you have a break annual for the downtrend. Okay, so this was a nice trap how to get quick little scalp out of all the people who are going short way too early. All right, so we have a first leg down, pullback, second leg down, break a new low indicating the downtrend played out. This resistance is now acting as a support. You take one tick lower and instant reverse up and gave you a high low, and high low is a confirmation of this second entry long. New high, first entry long, pullback, second entry long failure. This uptrend needs to get new high. The momentum was very, very strong coming from the failed breakout, and downtrend played out with the break new low, high low, confirmation of a two-legged pullback. Going long is a little bit too early because you pushed below EMA and the signal bar has half of the body as a bullish stem, as a bearish stem. But once you confirm and you get high low, the confirmation setup, this is where you can start going long again. I forgot to introduce the video because the setup happened quickly and I just wanted to get the recording on time, but we're looking at S&P 500 M-mini futures. The time frame is 2000 tick chart. We can see that the pre-market structure had plenty of bars. This is unexpected. Normally this is entire day worth of price action, but we have a trailing range structure, which means I'm mainly sticking to the shortened channels, not really drawing them too wide. The most recent structure was this uptrend, which had a break, attempt to create new high, and now when the prices are pushing back below EMA, we can already start expecting pullback below the trailing range. So overall structure is a trailing range, and we'll see what we can get. All right, traders, I'm going to resume the video as I'm going to take second entry short if it gets a trigger.
Order filled.
I'm going to put my stop loss one tick above the single bar. I'm actually going to go for a 10 tick target profit, and I see new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short, and also new high, first entry long, pullback, second entry long failure. It is below the EMA, nice bearish bar, uptrend played out with the break in new high. It's confirming the shortened channel, which looks not the best, but I believe there's a little bit of a shortened channel working. Yeah, this fits really well off the lows. So you have new low, first entry short, one tick higher, second entry short, nice bearish bar, well below EMA. The downtrend is in play, and let's see if we can get the scalp here. So far prices are stalling. Let's see if we can push lower. And we reversed on me quickly. That's a shame. Had I gone for 8 ticks, I would have already been out, but I'm going for 10 because the volatility increased. I'm seeing this micro double bottom. Hopefully we can, and we push through finally. So new low, first entry short, second entry short, new high, first entry long, second entry long, failure off the trend line below EMA. Notice we're coming off the highs of the trailing range. We're coming off the highs of the trailing range. So the bias is right now bearish. After open, we have a break new high for the uptrend. I'm just following the shortened channels and we have quite a massive push down. All right, so we have quite a good runner already, which I contemplate taking already, but we're bouncing on me quickly. You know what? I'm going to trail the runner tight. I kind of missed the window because we made 10 points already on the first go. And I'm scaling down because volatility increased. So you can see I'm increasing my target profit to 10 ticks. I should have taken the runner at 10 points. I really wanted to. I was a little bit too greedy, and now we may stop me out because we have a little bit of overshoot. I may have missed my window here. It's unfortunate because once you make 10 points on such a quick go like that, I generally want to take the runner, and they're coming for a runner here. I forgot to mark the setup. I'm going to pause the video and let you guys see how the runner played out. All right, so I took my runner one tick above this swing right here, so I managed to get only like 1 or 2 points. I should have trailed it here to get 10 points because this was quite a big move. You can see overshoot, which leads to break of a channel, but I managed to get 2 points out of the runner. So at least something out of the runner. But the bias right now is bearish. This downtrend needs to get new low, and we'll see if we can get lower high. But we can see that the prices are pushing lower. So I'm just following the short-term channels. You can see we're coming off the trading range highs. That's the main pattern. Strong push below EMA confirming the bearish momentum. We already had new high, first entry long, second entry long failure, which was a great setup. But I didn't recognize it at the time. I wasn't quite sure because it was too sideways. But after this failed second entry long, which is a great setup, another second entry short form again. All right, so we have a lower high after the second entry short, but the signal bar is quite neutral, doji. I mean, you can see that it worked. So you can see the price action is following the rules nicely because this is a break of this downtrend. So we expect for prices to create new low. But if I look at the high right side of the chart like this is the signal bar I'm selling below. Not that much of a strong bearish momentum. You can see I should have taken the setup because it is a lower high confirmation with the second entry short. So you can see how high probability setup looks like. Felt second entry long here, second entry short here, and a lower high confirmation of the second entry short because this second entry short formed off EMA while the uptrend is in place, so we cannot sell just yet. All right, so we have a new low, first entry short, second entry short, which I'm not going to take because it is too congested. It stalled too much, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars stacked basically. So I'm not interested in taking a congested setup like that. You can see what can happen if you take a congestion like that. Right now, prices are pushing back above EMA. The downtrend still needs a new low, but it is possible that we may start to form overall bullish imbalance because we are not even making it to the middle of this trend range. However, I'm just following the price action and we'll see what the prices will do. Right now, we have a congestion, so I need to see a clear trend and take high probability setups on the way down. Right now we're in a mess, so I need to wait here. All right, traders, I'm going to take high low for a tick target profit. We have new high, first entry long, second entry long. We ticked lower, trap everybody going short too early on a failed second entry long. And this is the same scenario like we saw here. High low confirmation of the second entry long, and everybody who went short too early is about to get trapped. Nice big bullish bar. I managed to use my limit order further back down. Can we get the scalp here? And we got the scalp here. Perfect. So I'm going to quickly tighten this. Move my runner to break even. This was our third trade for the day. And our runner just got hit. We can see that our runner just got hit at break even again. Market quickly came back, stop us out, and now it's pushing higher. This can happen when the volatility is this strong. But we can see that the uptrend is working higher. It needs to get new extreme. I'm just following the trend line rules. New high, first entry long, second entry long. This is a two-legged pullback, first leg down, second leg down. So this is a two-legged pullback. We have a two-legged pullback here, first leg down, first leg up, second leg up. And we had two-legged pullback here, first leg down, second leg down. So you can see I'm just following the short-term channels, looking for breaks, new low of the corrections, and I'm taking basically a high low. These two setups are similar. Everybody going short too quickly. And notice we also have, if I'm going to zoom out, a bullish imbalance. Notice if I'm going to plot the trading range, I can see that the prices are failing to even reach the midline. So I don't want to sell just yet. We have a two clear separate legs down and we have a nice bullish imbalance. So that means that the bias in this market is bullish, in this trading range is bullish. So I can go long close to these highs because of the bullish imbalance. All right, traders, so I want to briefly talk about these two setups. These are not the long setups that I planned before, but I'm reacting to the trap, how the short sellers are getting trapped quickly, because this failed second entry long is too early. Uptrend is new high, we have break new low and two legs down, and this failed second entry long is bad setup as well. We have two clear legs down, downtrend played out, and the signal bar is bad. So I didn't plan to go long, but once I saw tick lower instant reversal, this is indicating to me that everybody going short in a bullish imbalance too quickly may get trapped. So these are not particularly easy high probability setups, but these are mainly momentum traps. But you can see still both setups are high lows confirmations of the second entry longs, and this is typical second entry short high probability setup. So these are our three trades for the day, and we only got one decent runner at this point on. It's been only 22 minutes after market open. Rarely I managed to get done with my setups this quickly, so I'm not going to be greedy, I'm not going to push it, and you have to be grateful for what you get. You can see volatility increased. This is why I scaled down. And I hope you find the video helpful, educational, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Good luck, everybody.